Hey Reagan, I am recording this video today because Mrs. Bliley had a meeting that is on or going on during our time. So if you hear some kids in the background, there are kids in the room, but I told them to be quiet, but you know how that goes. So I will try my best to teach this lesson super fast and upload it before our time. And I also just want to say I'm so excited that I got to see you the last few weeks during PSSA testing, and it made me so happy. So here we go. Today we are learning about polygons. So a polygon is a closed figure made up of line segments that do not cross each other. So if you look right here, polygons are shapes that are connected together but do not cross. So we have a square, a triangle, this is a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, a pentagon, and this weird shape. These are all polygons. And over here we can look and see that these are not polygons. This oval is not a polygon because it's not made of line segments and it is curved. If we look at this orange/yellow one right here, it is not closed. This one also is curved. So anything that has a curve or crosses is not a polygon. So let's look at our first example. It says, example 1, the building shown in the Pentagon in Washington, D.C. describes the sides of the figure formed by the red outline. Does the red outline form a polygon? So let's count the sides. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This shape has 5 sides. Do the sides ever cross? No. So we can say that this is a polygon. It has 5 sides, and we can actually say that this is a pentagon. We will be identifying shapes today. Let's look at a regular polygon. A regular polygon is a polygon when congruent sides and congruent angles. Congruent sides are equal in length, and congruent angles have the same degree measurement. So if we look at example 2, it says determine if the polygon appears to be regular or not regular. So first we're going to look at the top and the bottom. The top and the bottom. Sides appear to be longer than the other sides. If we were to compare this line to this line down here, they do appear to be longer. There are 6 sides on this shape. Are they congruent? No, they are not all the same. We have different ones. So it is, in fact, not a regular polygon. Because remember, a congruent polygon, or excuse me, a regular polygon has all the same length and size. Let's go to our next example. So polygons are a subcategory of two-dimensional figures. A subcategory is a division that has common characteristics with a larger category. So if we look right here, this is a triangle. This is a regular triangle. This is not a regular. If we look at this one right here, this has all the same side lengths. This not regular triangle has different lengths. We can look right here and see that these 2 lengths are longer than this one. So what is the number of sides that my triangle has? 3. And it says draw another polygon that is not regular. Pretend that is a straight line. Sorry, hard to do the straight lines. Try your best to do a straight line though, because that represents a polygon. The next we have is a quadrilateral. We have 4 sides, 1, 2, 3, and 4. Remember, this one is a regular square or a quadrilateral. They all have the same sides. This one is not regular because it is slanted and they are not the same length. We're going to draw another one that is not the same but has 4. Oh boy, Mrs. Bliley's not doing good with the straight line stuff. Sorry, Mrs. Bliley, believe it or not, is trying her best. So pretend these lines are straight. This is an example of another not regular polygon. Let's go down. This is pentagon. This might be new. Pentagon means 5. So it has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 sides. Our regular polygon has the same length of sides, and our not regular is slanted and does not. They have different sides. Here's another example of a 5-sided shape. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. A hexagon has 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. As you can see, these are all the same. This is not. Another example is a 6-shaded shape. An octagon has 8 sides, just like a stop sign. And remember, try best to draw straight lines. This would be a lot easier if I was using paper and pencil. So just try your best to do that. Okay. So if you want to pause this to get all this down, I know Mrs. Bliley's moving kind of fast. It's because I just found out I had a meeting, so I am going fast. So if you need to pause this for your learning and to do this, please, please do that. I'm going to do a few guided practice, and then you're going to do some on your own. So guided practice, it says name the polygon, determine if it appears to be regular or not regular. So right here we have an octagon that kind of looks like a stop sign, right? So let's count how many sides it has. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We can write 8 sides. The sides appear to be congruent. We can write congruent. You can write con if that makes it easier for you. This is just write congruent, and this appears to be a regular octagon, or not octagon, polygon, sorry. Regular octagon, octagon. All right, so what you're going to do is you are going to name each polygon and describe if it is regular or not regular. So Mrs. Wiley is going to go for number 2. The first thing we're going to do is count how many sides it is. 1, 2, 3, and 4. We can look back and see that the 4-sided polygon is a quadrilateral. I'm going to write quad for quadrilateral. Quad. And it is regular because all the sides are the same. All right, so we have 3, 4, and 3, 4, 5, and 6. This one you are drawing the shape, okay? So you're drawing a triangle that is not regular. So my shape is going to have 3 sides, and it can look like a right triangle because my one side is longer than the other. So I want you to do those 6 problems, take a picture of it, and show it to me. Again, I apologize for not being on at our time. But I hope this video was helpful in the lesson, and sorry it went fast. So again, if you have to slow it down or pause it, please do so. Have a fabulous day, and I'll see you tomorrow.